Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Picked up this Insignia dual hard drive docking station from Best Buy for $34.99. It did have a price drop. I needed one today. Walked into Best Buy and hoped they had one, and they did. And it was a pretty decent price. I've seen some on eBay, but didn't want to wait. So here's a hard drive I need to get information off of. But let's go ahead and open it up. We have a USB, power, so this is bigger than expected. Let's take a look in there. That's where the hard drives would go. Let's see if this one's going to fit. Alright, it looks like it fits right in there. That's the eject button. Pretty cool. Back of it has a power switch. USB 3.0. That's what the USB looks like. Power. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and hook it up, see if it all works. You can pick it up at Best Buy for $34.99. Says it's on sale. Thanks for watching.